Hey, what's up mga ka-Gen Z? Now we're here in a single attached unit to show you the 3 bedrooms for this unit. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako. For this unit, here's our bedroom 1. Ayan, sige, check po natin. Okay. So for that room, pwede po natin siyang gawing office room, kids room, or kung meron po tayong guest, pwede rin po. Tara. So here's our bedroom number 2. Ayan, so for that room, pwede po siyang gawin nating office room, kung meron po tayong guest or for family, pwede po. So upon walking for our hallway, here's naman ang ating master's bedroom. Ayan, so here's our master's bedroom for this unit, or which is single attached unit. Now, if you're interested on our project, you can make me a message on my social media account and my mobile number. See you!